Think your Instagram account is gone forever because it's been more than 30 days? Don't panic just yet. Even if Instagram says it's permanently deleted, there's a specific way to contact support to try and get it back. I'm going to show you the exact steps to open a ticket right now. First, stay off the Instagram app. It won't work there. Open up a web browser and type in Instagram Help Center. Click the first link. Now look for the 3 menu lines at the top right. Tap that and now select Manage Your Account. And then click Signing Up and Getting Started. I know that sounds weird because you're trying to recover an account, not start one, but stick with me, this is the workaround. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page until you see the question, was this helpful? Click No. This is the key. A menu will pop up, select Other, hit Select. And now you have a text box. This is your direct line to a human. You need to write something urgent and clear, like, my account was wrongfully deleted and I have important data on it. Please assist in recovery. Then hit Submit. If you don't get a response there within 48 hours, try this backup method. Go to Google and search for Instagram support ticket contact form. Look for the official Meta support forms. This allows you to submit an appeal directly regarding privacy or data access, which forces your system to review your case. Ever wonder how to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram? Check out this video now.